Yeah, hello. I am Ebrachan. I personally invite you to join our PMP online mentoring program. I have 30 years experience in the IT industry, and out of that 10 years I was conducting project management training program based on both PMBOK and Agile. So most of our training were classroom training, and during the last 2 years or so, we were conducting online training. But again, these online trainings were not designed well because most of the trainers, what they do is they use the same slides which they use for classroom training for online training, which defeats the purpose because the key advantage of the online training is the flexibility. The learner should be able to learn things as and when he gets some time or gets into the right mood to learn. There should not be a dependency to the instructor. The moment that dependency is built in, then the flexibility of the online training, which is the key USP, that is lost. So, with all the understanding we gained during the past 10 years, now we have designed the online training program from scratch to suit the busy executive like you. Uh, Once you complete our online mentoring program, uh, you would have complete knowledge of the PMBOK version 6. There is absolutely 100% mapping to PMBOK version 6. And PMBOK will remain as the key reference material, and we will take you through each and every component of PMBOK during this mentoring program. And the learning is imparted through YouTube videos, online assessments and tests, and one-to-one meeting with the instructor for target setting and doubt clarification. Ideally, see, the duration of the online mentoring program is not fixed. Uh, Depending on the amount of hours you can spend, uh, you can either complete it very fast or you can take a little more time. Ideally, what I've seen is okay, a person should be able to complete the online training program in 1 to 2 months' time, that is 30 days to 60 days' time from the start. That means if you're a person who can spend approximately around 3 to 4 hours per week, in 2 months' time, you should be able to complete it. And every week, we will have a one-to-one meeting with the instructor to assess your progress and to set targets for you for the till the next during the week for the week, and then clarify all your doubts. Uh, so it's not that every day you will have a instructor led face to face training. So every week, once or twice, we will meet one to one on Skype or some other media which is convenient for you, and we'll assess the progress you made, we'll answer all your doubts, and then we'll set the targets for the next week. And you will have to watch a set of predefined videos, and you may have to take some online assessment tests to ensure that you have understood things and you have put in the right effort. This is a unique trait, and our method itself is unique because PMBOK, while it is a complete document, it is not that user friendly. So we have made it very user friendly by rearranging it. So if you follow our methodology, you will learn the same PMBOK in a different way, so that which has a better recollection value, and the learning becomes very easy for you. Since it is a one-to-one mentoring program, the schedule can be tailored. So if you are attending from USA, we'll either do it in the morning or in the evening time of yours. Again, see, we are operating from the Indian Standard IST, whereas you may be operating from some other time zones. So based on your convenience, we are always willing to schedule the class. If you get busy with your work for 1 week and if you're not available, that is also fine. Then okay, so we are completely tuned to your convenience. 35, you will receive a 35 contact hours certificate upon completion of the course. That means once you complete the entire syllabus and the assignments and the online meetings with the instructor, you will receive the 35 contact hours certificate issued by the Project Management Research Institute, which is valid for applying for the PMP exam, because they ask for this 35 PDU certificate. This certificate will take care of it. We'll support you till you pass your PMP. So it's not that once you complete the course and we issue the certificate, that is the end of the training. Because after the training, you need to prepare for the exam, and while preparing for the exam, whatever questions you have, we are available to guide you. And the training is conducted by a highly qualified and experienced trainer, that is me, because I have around 30 years of industry experience. Out of that, 20 years as a practitioner of project management and 10 years as a coach slash consultant slash trainer of professional project management, which include both PMBOK based project management body of knowledge based training, as well as agile project management using Scrum. And I would have covered more than 13,000 participants for my workshops. Each person is unique, so I learn a lot of things from them as well while teaching them project management. So all those learning and feedback, everything gets into this course design, and you will benefit from it. Now what you should do next is you should click on the link given below this video. You get a form to fill up. It basically asks for your name, your email ID, your location, and a text for what is your real query like, so that once we get it, then we'll answer, we will communicate back to you, and we can always start with the first online meeting. Financially, there is no commitment, so you need to pay us 50% of the charges after the first couple of lessons. So if you are not happy, you can always discontinue. There is no financial obligation. The remaining 50% of the payment is when you receive the 35 contact hours certificate. And we are slightly strict about it. See, unless and until you complete all the assignments successfully, we will not be issuing the certificate. So if somebody is thinking that is easy, like you pay the money and get the certificate, it is not so. So our intent is to make you pass the PMP exam on the first go. So we are very serious, slightly serious about it. So what you should be doing now is you go back to the link at the bottom of this video, scroll down. If you are on YouTube, then click on the link and fill up the form, hardly 3 or 4 fields, and once we get that input, then we will communicate back to you. This is me. My official name is Abrachan Puduseri, and you can always call me. You can call me AB. That is easy. So from here on, you please call me AB, and I'll be your instructor during the mentoring program. And if you have not subscribed yet for our channel, please do subscribe. That is on YouTube. We have our channel is PMRI Campus. PMRI Campus is our channel on YouTube. So please do subscribe to our channel so that you will get all the updates on time. Please feel free to get in touch with us, and we'll answer all your queries. Thank you for watching, and wait for our next video soon.